Rich Steves, Managing Editor at TMC here at ITEXPO Las Vegas 2013. Joining me now is Shapiro. He's the CEO of ifbyphone. Welcome to the program.
Well, thank you for having me.
So one of the things I wanted to talk to you about was a new trend and a study by Gartner. And Gartner's been saying that in the future, CMO tech budgets will actually surpass those of the CTO budgets. And I'm very curious what your thoughts are on that.
So I think this is a deja vu experience. I think it's a deja vu experience because the same thing happened between IT and sales related to the CRM marketplace.
Okay, and let's take that a step further. I understand that when we looked at the model put forth by Salesforce, what they did with data and the way they were able to sell that and deal with that and CRM, as you mentioned. I understand you're doing something similar with voice.
So we think we're doing the exact same thing with voice that Salesforce did with data. Back in 1999, if you wanted to report about your customers, you went to the IT department and you stood in line. And Salesforce said, this is nuts. We're going to provide a product directly to sales management. They own the data helps them sell more. We're going to enable them to empower their sales force. We think voice is the next evolution of that enablement.
Right, so rather than go right through that IT department with voice, you're taking it in a different direction.
We're taking it in a different direction. We have a suite of services we've been delivering since 2008, over 4,000 businesses, where we go directly to marketing and sales or service delivery management, and we empower them with an over-the-top technology to have complete control of voice, from tracking calls coming into their businesses, using self-service IVRs to direct them, routing those calls in virtual call center.
So it sounds like a much more efficient model to me.
Well, it's a model that's closer to the customer. And anytime you bring data, information, technology closer to the customer, you improve the experience.
And really that's what it's all about, improving the customer experience, isn't it?
Improving the customer experience, reducing churn, increasing customer close rates.
Great. So it sounds like you're really in line with this study from Gartner that you mentioned. You've got a lot of exciting things going on. Tell me, if people want to know more about your company, ifbyphone, where can they go?
So they can go to www.ifbyphone.com. If you have trouble remembering that, think 1 if by land, 2 if by sea, 3 if by phone.
I love it. I love it. I'm going to remember that, and I'm going to put that in the next article I write about you.
Okay, thanks so much.
Irv, thanks for joining us.
Okay.